Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. IslamTalk or Farina Siddique. Today is Mother's Day. There you go. One more day to celebrate. One more day to acknowledge. One more day to cherish women in our life. Amazing. We just, got up with from Women's Day, and now it's Mother's Day. Today is the only one day in this entire year of 365 days when people just suddenly wake. Today is the only one day in this entire year of 365 days when people just suddenly wake up and they want to acknowledge the sacrifices of mothers, and they want to cherish mothers, they want to support mothers, they want to have parties with mothers, for mothers, and they take selfies from different angles with their mothers. They don't even call throughout the rest of the year, and they want to go and bring them flowers, they want to go and bring them fruits and cakes and whatever the mothers like or does not like, just to make a statement that, I only care about you for this one particular day because somebody in this entire world of corporate mentality decided to designate this one day for you. Isn't it cool? Wow, amazing. But today I would like to talk to you about motherhood. I would like to talk to you about the sacrifices of a mother, understanding of a mother, acknowledgement of a mother, the cherishment of a mother. A mother can never ever be celebrated enough for her sacrifices, let alone, celebrated, let alone, provided with gifts or anything. If you do not care, and if you do not support, if you do not respect your mother the way Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala as your creator has commanded you with, this one day is literally garbage. This one day celebration or this one day acknowledgement is literally useless. You're not supposed to do that. Garbage. This one day celebration or this one day acknowledgement is literally useless. You're not supposed to do that if you don't respect your mother, if you don't respect your mother, if you don't acknowledge your mother, if you don't celebrate your mother every day of your life. And remember, on this Mother's Day, do not forget the mothers who are suffering across the globe. And to women here who are listening, and to mothers here who are actually sending happy Mother's Day messages to each other, remember the mothers of Palestine. Remember the mothers in Sudan. Remember the mothers in Afghanistan. Remember the mothers in every part of the world who are getting butchered, raped, and they are seeing their children dying in front of them. Remember the pain. Remember, the pain, the suffering. Remember just this last 10 months or something, from October 7th till today, many Palestinian women, Palestinian mothers